This is the 14mm stainless steel with 18 karat gold over it. Now, one lucky winner on September 20th will win this chain. All you have to do is put a fire emoji with the comment. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that like button. Now let's take a closer look on the detail. This is the flash test. Now remember, on September 20th, one lucky winner will win this Cuban chain. This is 14mm. The length is 20 inches. All you have to do, like I said, is put a fire emoji with that comment, hit that like button, and hit that subscribe button. And one lucky winner will win this Cuban stainless steel 20 inches 14mm chain. Once again, this is the flash test. And I got this from Harlembling. Once again, all you have to do is put that fire emoji with that comment. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. And one lucky winner will win this chain. Once again, this chain came from Harlembling.